In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use responsive AI with Wix Studio. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, Wix Studio offers a fantastic platform for creating visually stunning and responsive websites. But what sets Wix Studio apart is its built-in responsive AI feature, which can save you time and effort by automatically adapting your designs to look great on any screen size. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through how to use this tool effectively so you can maximize its potential and ensure your website looks professional and polished across all devices. Let's get started. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Wix Studio website. If you're new to Wix Studio, it's always a good idea to bookmark the site for quick access in the future. Once the website loads, look for the Login button. You'll usually find it at the top right corner of the homepage, so it's hard to miss. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your username and password. Alternatively, if you prefer using Google to sign in, there's an option for that as well. Just click on the Continue with Google button and follow the on-screen prompts to log in securely. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can see all your existing projects. Next, locate the project you want to work on. Scroll through your list of projects until you find the one you're ready to enhance. When you've found it, click to open it in the Wix Studio editor. This is where all the magic happens, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new to it. Once your project is open in the editor, navigate to the specific section of your website that you'd like to enhance. Whether it's a home page, product page, or a contact section, the choice is entirely up to you. Take your time to review the section so you have a clear idea of what you'd like the AI to optimize. Now, let's move on to using the responsive AI feature. In the editor, look for the responsive AI icon. You should see it among the tools available on your interface. It's designed to stand out, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding it. Once you've located it, click on the icon to access the tool. From there, you'll see an option labeled Generate Now. This is where the magic begins. Click on that option to initiate the AI process. At this point, the responsive AI will start analyzing your design. It's assessing key elements like layout, spacing, and visual hierarchy to create a version of your website that's optimized for different screen sizes. While it's working, you might need to wait for a few moments, so just be patient as the tool does its thing. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see the AI-generated design. This is your opportunity to review the outcome and ensure that the generated layout aligns with your vision. Take a close look at how the design adapts across various screen sizes and make sure everything feels cohesive and professional. If you're happy with what you see, the last step is to apply the design. You'll notice a button labeled Apply Design. Go ahead and click on that, and the AI-generated style will be implemented into your project. From here, you can make further tweaks or adjustments if necessary, but overall, your website should now look fantastic on all devices. And that's it. You've successfully used responsive AI to enhance your website in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.